While traditional flush cover wiring duct remains a popular choice for standard control panel designs, Panduit's hinged cover wiring duct is the best choice for industrial applications that require regular maintenance and upgrades. In such cases, the frequent removal and replacement of wiring duct covers increases the time and complexity of the project. Standard covers of various lengths must be labeled, removed, stored, and then correctly replaced after the work is completed. Often the covers get damaged or misplaced, which can leave wires exposed. This affects the safety and appearance of the control panel. Panduit's line of hinged cover wiring duct offers a simple and effective solution to address these challenges. The unique snap-on hinged cover is easier to install and remove than traditional wiring duct covers. Once installed, the cover can be hinged open up to 100 degrees from either side of the duct. The built-in cover removal tab provides a convenient gripping surface to make opening or removing the cover easier. This makes troubleshooting, wiring changes, or component upgrades a breeze, saving up to 20% in service and installation time. Plus, properly fitted hinging covers have twice the cover retention of standard covers. That means they are more resistant to cover slip when exposed to vibration. All Panduit hinging duct covers are compatible with 3 hinging base styles. The Type HN narrow slot finger design precisely aligns slots and termination points in high-density electrical applications. This design is suitable for smaller wire diameters. Multiple slot restrictors hold wiring at the device termination point to reduce installation time and improve wire label identification. The Type H wide slot finger design is suitable for a variety of wire sizes in electrical and communication applications. The Type HS solid wall wiring duct fully encloses cables and cord sets. This design provides maximum protection in on-machine applications that do not require frequent breakouts. The additional stiffness of the hinging design ensures greater sidewall stiffness and durability. All hinged duct is made in the USA and is Build America, Buy America compliant. For more information, visit Panduit.com.